If you're sending videos in your email outreach, one of the best things you can do is automatically bring in your viewer's first name to the video thumbnail to automatically show them that the video is relevant for them. And Sendspark makes it really easy to do this with Engage. So what you can do is just have one video that's part of your outbound sequence and then automatically pull in the viewer's first name to different parts of the video experience, just to increase engagement and make it a little bit more personalized. The way you can do this is first you're going to create your video in Sendspark. So you can either record a video of yourself or your screen or upload an existing video if you already have one. And then you want to go to your video page editor. And here there's a couple places where you can add personalization tokens. One is going to be this title above the video. So you can write something like, hi, first name. And then you can also customize the text that goes below the video in this message area. So you could write something like, would love to show how we can help company name grow, or your own value prop. And then you also have a call to action field right here under the video, so you can add any link here. Like this is an example of a link to our website, but if you use a Calendly or something to schedule meetings, you can add this here. And then when you send this out and Engage, all of this is going to personalize for your viewer. And there's one other spot where we recommend personalizing your video. That's going to be the video thumbnail that shows up in email. And you can do that by clicking on this share video button and then customizing the thumbnail here. So click on this, and I already did this one, video for first name. And if we don't have the first name, it will fall back to you. And again, it works the same way. Just click on this personalization tag and you can add the options here. To send the video and Engage, what you want to do is click on this Engage share option and then just paste this in a template in Engage. And then anytime you use that template, it's going to automatically pull in your video with the proper contact variables. If you don't see Engage on your share modal here, just click Edit Add and you can customize the share options that show up. So make sure that Engage is clicked, and then if there's any share options you're not using, feel free to unclick them so that you just have a nice clean share modal. And then what you're going to see is, the Engage option here. You'll always have these two because this is like a general way to just quickly share a video in like a one-off email in Engage or an email in Gmail or Outlook or something else. And then this copy link you can use to share the video anywhere, like LinkedIn or in Slack messages or just any place you want to share the video. We hope this helps. It makes it really easy for you to automatically add more personalization to your email outreach and helps you connect more with customers and book more meetings. Let me know if there's anything we can help with, and happy recording. I'll see you.